Okay, I've got here what we call a Rainforest Scorpion. Now these guys would make a really good pet because they don't have a bad temperament at all, and they move quite a lot once they're out of their leaf litter. When it's on my arm in the sun, it wants to get away, but it hasn't stung me yet, so that's yet to happen. These guys are pretty harmless anyway, so excuse my filming. This guy just keeps moving. Oh, there you go. Here's a leaf litter. Down there. I'll just get one back, or her. This is a female scorpion. As you can tell by the... oh no, you don't want to go down there. It's gone down some sort of hole, which probably belongs to a lizard or something. Just try and attempt to get her back out of there. Found her under this log here. This is really dry weather. What's this kid? Yes, this is quite a small one. This is not yet fully grown. Don't know how old she'd be. Haven't read much about these guys. I know they're not harmless, but they're great. Great little animal. And that's the Rainforest Scorpion. Thanks.